up, guys? We are on the train right now, headed home. There are literally no seats available, and I made the train by about 2 minutes, so I guess we're standing on the way home. At work this week so far, I've been taking on a lot more responsibility. I've been leading projects more and more by myself. Working in advertising, you think it's kind of like all this creative work all the time, and it's really not. A lot of it is a lot of operations, a lot of meetings, a lot of stop and go, and it's not all that it's made out to be. Okay, I just made my settings, hopefully a little bit better, but we're shooting 4K 24, 4.3, ultra wide with any stabilization off, because when you put this FOV boost lens on the Nano and turn the stabilization off and go ultra wide, that is how you get this fisheye look. And we're at negative 1.3 exposure value. We fixed our white balance. We went auto. We're at shutter speed 100 to 8,000, and we are at 100 to 3200 ISO. So we're just playing around with some settings here in the train right now. We were on FE film tone, but now we're on WT. Actually, that looks a lot better as well. So same settings, I just switched it over to WT, and that looks a lot more fitting for this setting that I'm in right now. I'm just trying not to get motion sickness. It's been a long day, and I am so ready to get home. We're gonna still try to hit the gym up, get a little pump in. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the cutest of them all? Is it me? All right, so today we are going to film some cinematic bodybuilding footage here at the gym. We've got this really cool space, beautiful lighting, and we're gonna take advantage of it. And all we're using is the Nano. I've got it hooked up right now onto a fan magnetically, and we're gonna shoot fisheye the whole time. We're on D-Log M, and we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna color it nice and cinematic when we get to it. I think this is a pretty cool shot though. What do you guys think? right, guys, we just got done here at the box. We did our workout. We had a long day, long day. I'm just settling in right now. This is even kind of weird for me to be vlogging because there's people working out and they're probably looking, but I've kind of made it known that I bring my camera and do this thing. We got a good workout in, a good pump. This is the most consistent I've been with bodybuilding in a long time, and I'm just trying to get myself back into moving my body in a different way, but I've just been you're good. But I've just been trying to get myself back to just moving my body in a way that feels comfortable for me. Going into work 3 days a week has been tough, but luckily we have the box here and I'm able to come in here and do some workouts and just kind of be in my own thing. It's such a great spot for content creation. I honestly haven't used anything other than the Nano itself with the magnet and the suction mount right here. So if you only have the Nano and the suction mount, which it actually comes with, you guys are set. If you want to pick yourself up a mic mini, you can do that too. But honestly, all you need is that. And look, it's right back on there on the window. And I've got this cool little spot too, especially with this fisheye lens. So I'm calling it a fisheye lens. It's not actually a fisheye lens. It's an FOV boost lens from my Action 5 Pro that I was able to thread on the Nano because they have the same thread. So to get this look, you actually turn the lens to ultra wide and you turn all stability off. We're not on Rocksteady Plus, we're not on horizon balance, we're not on any of that. We're on off with a stability. Hey guys, Future Juge here. My Nano actually died in that moment. I wasn't keeping track of the battery. I was filming pretty much all day, just nonstop, so there were a lot of cuts in this because I was letting the whole workout take place and just seeing where I can kind of like leave it a little longer, maybe cut it from scene to scene so it looks like it's the same set that I'm doing, even though it's different sets. So I wasn't checking the top portion of my Nano. It actually died at that moment, and I went on a whole ramble and just kept going and going and going. So I am right here editing it, and I just wanted to say, if you guys have the Nano and the suction mount, amazing. Go out there and create. It is a goated camera already. Enough said. I'm pretty sure all of us by now probably have the Nano, but I just wanted to show you how I use it and continue to show you how I'm pushing my style of creativity. And I think this one was a little bit more of a stylistic choice of a video where I really wanted to just roll with the fisheye lens on here. Again, I'm calling it a fisheye lens. It's not really a fisheye lens, but I made it one. So keep getting at it. I'm here on Premiere Pro. You can see just chopping up my video. I'll just show you a little bit about my workflow. I like to color and label everything. So I've got one more clip to add, which you're going to see next. And then, other than that, stay human.
No, I'm not hugging you just because you turn on the freaking camera. No.
Come give me some lovin', my little muffin.